So I needed others now. So welcome back, everyone. Yeah, I'll kick this off. So we've heard a number of different topics. Again, we've talked about products and practices and some specific elements that we went through earlier today in terms of both waste management and Jira Service Desk and different architectural elements. What out of that did you guys have for any follow-up questions? Or is there something we haven't touched on today that you guys would like to hear about as well? You've got a panel of experts here, like now's your opportunity. Who wants to kick it off? Here we go. Do we have a mic we can run to people, or are they just, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, it's been awesome. I mean, we've been using Jira and Confluence also. My question is simple. How do you see the best practices in analytics or data science groups? Because most of the time, people use Jira and Confluence is for software development and agile implementation, while the life cycle of analytics and data analysis and data science are pretty much quite different. Probably with the sole exception of machine learning deployment, which is practically just a software deployment as well. But yeah, have you seen any best practices on this?
Yeah, anything from the partner side on that? I know you guys tend to come across that a bit more, kind of pairing up the different cadence with analytics to an agile type of an approach. Have you guys encountered that here?
Not me.
Not directly? Okay. I want to give you first crack. That's why. So what I've seen on the Australian side in particular is that, especially in environments like telco, we've come up against that quite a bit. I'm not the subject matter expert on that, so unfortunately I can't give you a lot of detail, but I can tell you that we've encountered it and that we have worked some techniques to help blend those two together more effectively. So we can make sure we'll follow up with you with some more around that. It's not something that normally Atlassian does directly, but usually something that one of our partners would be engaged in as well. But I have heard that scenario come up before.
Can I ask you a question? Like, are you talking about products which are analytics products, or you want to use the analytics from Jira to derive something about the teams?
It's more data product or analytics product.
Okay.
The delivery of it is different. It's usually insights, recommendation, business strategies.
Correct.
Yeah,
if it
insights,
is a standard BI products, I don't see any difference with respect to the software development lifecycle, whatever you would like to follow inside the organization. It could be a traditional way or it could be agile way. Basically, the tool usage will be very much standard with any software development lifecycle, whatever your organization would like to follow. I don't see much difference there. It could be like a... See, you have a business process of the development life cycle, and all Jira enables you is like having the right, you can customize or configure the workflows the way your business process is.
Yeah, which is why I was asking for the best practices. I mean,
Yeah.
we know it's all good configurable.
And that's exactly right, I think, having some examples, some packets around how that's been done elsewhere.
Yes.
And that's definitely something we've done. I just am not as in tune with the particulars around that, but I have heard others speak to that, so we can get back to you on what we've seen there.